Hi, Megan.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. What is your name?
In my name, Mari.
Nice to meet you, Marino. Hi. What is your name?
My name is Haya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How is your name?
My name is Kaki.
Carla. Nice to meet you, Carla. What is your name? He decided to catch a star. He thought getting up early
See?
would be the best because the star would be sleeping. So he could catch
Okay,
the star.
because the star was sleeping.
I love the stars.